By now I'm sure you know what intransitive verbs are. Intransitive verbs are verbs that don't cause an action to another entity. Aside from intransitive isan, there are several other intransitive verbs used in Basque today. Hi, I'm Shanna, and this is Basque Berserk. Here are 5 intransitive Basque verbs. Number 1, joan, to go. Ni etxera noa. Ni etxera noa. I am going home. Zu dendara joan zara. Zu dendara joan zara. You went to the store, or you have gone to the store. Number 2, etorri, to come. Gu goiz etorriko gara. Gu goiz etorriko gara. We will come early. Ni nator zurekin. Ni nator zurekin. I am coming with you. Number 3, jaio, to be born. Ura maiatzan jaio zen. Ura maiatzan jaio zen. He was born in May. Umea jaio da. Umea jaio da. The baby has been born. Number 4, erori, to fall. Ni beti erortzen naiz. Ni beti erortzen naiz. I always fall. Platera eroriko da. Platera eroriko da. The plate will fall. And number 5, gertatu, to happen. Zer gertatu da. Zer gertatu da. What has happened? Orain emankizuna gertatzen da. Orain emankizuna gertatzen da. The program is happening now. As you see, you can't go something, come something, be born something, fall something, or happen something. They're just intransitive. Remember, with these verbs, you use the absolutive case with the subject. Okay guys, that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Agur!